Hey guys, and welcome to Geek Steam channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a new issue with the VMware 15. I'm using VMware 15.5, so let's open VMware and set up new Windows 10 on it from Niso image. I'm gonna create a new machine. I'm gonna keep this typical settings, but we'll change some settings later. Next, click on browse to import the Windows 10 image. Next, change the required space for machine depending on your needs, but it has to be with a minimum of 8 GB. I'm gonna give it 20 GB. Next, click on customize hardware to change other settings. I will give it more dedicated RAM from 2 GB to 4 GB. Then click on processors. I'm gonna give it the number of processors 2. After, click on network adapter and change the network connection to bridge. We are set. Click on close, then finish. It will start creating your virtual machine. It may take a while. Your virtual machine will start automatically after this. And here we can see the error. It says that it didn't detect any EFI media or on the virtual machine hard drive or the CD-ROM drive. Takes you boot menu for other options. So here is how to fix it. We power off the machine by selecting shut down the system or on the boot menu, or by clicking desktop machine VMware. Then we go to edit virtual machine settings. On the top, click on options tab and the firmware type frame. Choose BIOS over UEFI and click on OK. Now power on your virtual machine again. And now it's booting from your Windows 10 ISO image. You can start installation. So this is how you fix it. And I hope you enjoy watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.